Concentric slave cylinders have been common in hydraulic clutch systems for many years. These slave cylinders can be difficult to bleed if installed before they're filled. Before installing a concentric slave cylinder, it is best to prime it to get as much fluid in as possible. If it has a quick disconnect, the best way to prime it is to connect the slave cylinder to the line coming from the raised master cylinder. Then fill the hydraulic system and slowly compress the slave cylinder multiple times while tapping the line. This will help the air bubbles rise up the line and out of the master cylinder reservoir. Be sure to watch the fluid level and fill when necessary. Once no more bubbles appear in the reservoir, release the quick disconnect and the slave cylinder is ready for installation. If the slave cylinder has an open line, like the LSC379, the easiest way to prime it is to submerge the end of the line in clean brake fluid and slowly compress the slave cylinder multiple times. This will purge the air out and allow clean brake fluid to fill the cylinder. After filling, it's good practice to cap the line until the master cylinder line is connected. This procedure is especially important on vehicles without bleed ports. Priming the slave cylinder will save the technician time by bypassing the lengthy vacuum bleeding process. Following this procedure is also beneficial when installing concentric slave cylinders on front-wheel drive vehicles because most of these vehicles have limited access to the slave cylinder after the transmission is installed. Thanks for watching.